Hello everyone, today we will work with 404 pages in our project. We don't want the user to see an error screen saying this page could not be found on the 404 page. In this case, we can create our own 404 page and direct our users here in case of possible error pages. First, I will show a template file, open folder and go to index.html. We can use this template file. This is 404 page not found files. Okay, go to Visual Studio and I want to show you an example. For example, go to create category, right click and Ctrl Shift W, Ctrl Shift W. Let's write a wrong URL, for example category, and enter. This mean is Turkish, English mean is this page not found, mean error 404. This is not good page. We can use we can use our create 404 page. You can get this file from the project's GitHub link. Let's our template file at it www.root. Go to folder and add wroot. Okay, good. We need to create a controller. Right click controller, add new controller, and its name can be error pages. Delete this here and error pages controller. Okay, separate error methods can be written for each error here. We only need one error method right now. Let's call it error page 404. Error page 404. Okay, let's create a view. Right click and add view, razor view, and we don't choose use a layout page. Add click. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Okay, close and again open. Go to view. Good. Delete this here. Now we can open our template file and edit it according to this page. Go to index.html. This is 43 lines code. Copy and we can use this here. Okay, good. We need some pathway. Copy color lib folder name and this way copy and another. No, okay, that's enough. Good. You can change title 404 HTML template by color lib. Delete this here. Oops. 404 page. Okay, good. And we can see index.html. Ctrl Shift W on template file. Okay, this is our template file. Good. And oops, 404 page not found. The page you are looking for might have been removed, had its name changed, or is temporarily unavailable. Go to home page. Home page is default and index. Okay, and lower E. Good. The CSS paths and templates are ready. Now we need to go to the program CS section and write a small code presentation layer. Go to program CS and we need a small code app dot use status code pages async x equals and if x dot http context dot response dot status code equals 404. Okay, x dot http context dot response dot redirect. Go to error pages and error page 404. Okay, good. Okay, that's enough code. Here, redirections can be made according to error codes. For example, it can go to the 404 page according to a 404 error. If a 403 error occurs, it's directed to the relevant page. In other words, redirection can be done according to the status code. Now let's test it. Go to create category and Control Shift W. I'm waiting for open category and enter. You can see it's worked. Good. I hope you can understand me easily. Thank you for watching this video. See you next lesson. Have a good day. Have a good time.